Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to make some pretty cool 3D printed Lithophanes. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so we're gonna head over to this website, 3dp.rocks/lithophane, and I'll leave a link in the description to that. Now you'll notice a work plane with a square on it. You can choose from all these different shapes down here, but I personally have the best results with the outer curve shape. Alright, so what we're gonna do from here is click on the images link at the top of the page and upload our own image. You can use pretty much any picture you want, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna use a picture of myself. And once it's loaded up, you can rotate the camera and kind of get an idea of what it will look like. We'll look at the angles a little more in Cura later. So for now, let's click on that settings tab and then click the image settings from the drop-down menu. On this page, we're going to grab that top slider and move it from negative image to positive image, and then click on the model tab because we're done here. And then click on that refresh button towards the bottom of the page. And that's pretty much it. We can check out our image a little bit more and then click download when we're done and go ahead and open it up in Cura. Alright, and here it is in Cura, and my settings are still on the low quality profile. I personally don't think going to the better quality profiles makes that big of a difference on these, but you can decide for yourself if you want to give printing these a try. I'm also going to drop the size of this to 70% just to save some time, and that's it. Let's preview it and get an even better idea of how it will look in the end. And now let's jump to the time lapse of it printing. Okay, and here it is printed, and I know what you're thinking. This looks like crap, right? Well, if we hold it up to the light, we might get a different story. You can see with the darker areas, it almost even looks like skin tone. Anyway, I thought these were pretty cool, so I wanted to share them. And if you thought these were cool too, maybe consider giving the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. To all my old and new subscribers, I appreciate you tuning in. Catch you in the next one, and as always, have the best day ever.